to the channel Coding Pills, just like taking small pills of knowledge every day. In this video, we are going to create a new API called search by phone or email. Okay, how to do that? Because this method is not present in a JPA repository. So how to communicate with the database to get the details or search the phone numbers to get the data? How to do that? To getting that, we have something called optional. Inside of optional, we have a contact, CON, contact. Name of the method is search by phone or email. Side of this, just write a long phone will be there, then string email will be there, and the third one is also we can search with a name as well. After this, end with semicolon because the interface is 100% abstraction can be achieved. So that is why the end with semicolon method is called a abstract method. After this, what we have to do here, we just have to create our query, that is a at the rate. To communicate with the database, we have to write the query that is called a GPQL query, which to write in a interface or repository class. Just here at the rate, search it at the rate query. And as you can see here, query is present in org.springframework.data.jpa.repository. That means this at the rate query is present in data repository, Spring Data JPA. Just enter it. Inside of this, the three double quotes will be there. One more. Okay, three is there, and just enter it. Inside of this query, I have to write a JPQL query. How to write it? It's a very simple way to write a JPQL query. Instead of SQL query is very complex to write, but the JPQL query is very easy. How to write it? Just here, write SELECT select P from contact contact C. Enter it again. Next line, now where where phone. First one is phone, where the phone is null, or it cannot be null because I want to search by anyone. If I search one to phone, I will get the result by phone only. If I want to get the result by email, I am getting the result by email. I am getting the when I searching by the name, we can also get the details. If I searching with an email and name, again I am getting the details. How to do that? To doing that by using a or operator. So phone is null, or it can be a values here. So or c dot phone, sorry, it's not in a c dot phone, small cases should be there, is equal to colon phone will be there. After this, and with semicolon and with parenthesis, and again the next one is and inside the parenthesis again email should be there. So email is null, or c dot email is equal to colon email, and with the parenthesis. And the last one is again and operator. So and name is null or c dot name is equal to column name, sorry, name parenthesis, and it should be in a small one. So c dot name is name. Okay, this is done. This query is done here. If you saw this in a first time, you might be getting a complex, but it's really easy as compared to SQL query. Just here, select C from contact C. After this, where font is null or C dot font values. It can be null or it cannot be null at the time of searching. Okay. After this, let's move to the contact service, and I want to use this method. Just copy this line here. Control C. Let's go to the service class, and here public, sorry, uh, public response entity response structure, and then inside of this optional, just here optional, inside of optional our contacts would be there, contact contact. After this, control V, search by phone or email or string name, and here create a response structure, response structure inside of this string, not a string, optional should be there, opt optional, inside of optional having a contact co and contact, the structure is equal to new response structure, and with semicolon. After this we have to search it, so optional contact is equal to receive the contact, so receive contact. Now how to perform this searching operations? Just simple as it is. Contact repository dot search by phone or email. As you can see here, this method which is present in a contact repository, I just call this method. And as you can, if you remember, this method have a JPQL query which is used to perform how to get the data from the database. So I am not going to do lots of things, that this query is automatically going to the database and giving to the result or output. So here, after this, come to the here and check that is present or not. So if receive contact dot is present, then what we have to do? We have to get the data, right? How to get the data? To getting data, just structure dot set data receive contact. That's it. The data is present, the data is coming here, and if it's present, I just say set the data, so I will be getting data in a response. And after this, structure dot set message, what message will you throw? Contact details found, contact details found. Okay, and again structure dot set status code as http status dot okay dot value. Now return it. So return, sorry, uh, return new response structure, sorry, response entity, the structure, comma, http status dot okay with semicolon. What if not present? Then throw error throw new contact not found exception. Just throw the error here, and that exception is throw that contact not found here. CONTACT contact not found. Exclamation mark and with semicolon. Okay, this is done now. Now let's copy to the first line. Control C, come to the contact controller, and same as here, same as before, iterate. What is that? Get mapping, and the path is search, SEARCH search. Okay, and here return contact repository, sorry, contact service dot search by phone or email. Okay, after this is the phone, email, or name which is entered as a input field in a client side. That means this is a request parameter. So here you have to annotate it as a @request parameter. So same as for the control C, and let me just same for the control V, control V. Let's come back here. Control Z. What is happening here? Okay. Okay, so the public response entity, this is the request parameter is getting. Now we can check that is it working or not. So make sure it's here slash should be there. So let's go to the our Postman and check is it working or not. Before that, save it, Control M, and run our project. Run it. Let's go to the Postman plus, and the get mapping should be there. Add slash search, SEARCH search. Okay, search is there, and here the first parameter is okay. I'm getting the error here. Why? Let me come to the here. Fail to start is a display condition evaluation, so the application with the debug enable the contact controller field. What is the error I'm getting? Search by phone, email. Come back here and run it again. Run as a springboot app. Content field private is a springboot contact management SQL service. What I did wrong? Let me see what is the error. Okay, run it again. Okay, it's running now. Let's go to the Postman parameters. The first one, let's search by the phone. Okay, and the number is, let's come to the MySQL database and copy to the number. Control A, Control C, Control V, and let's send it. Oh, not found. The source exception is not static contact. Let me come here and see why I'm getting the error. I think the URL is missing. Okay, the URL is a contact slash add, which is not a right path. The right path is a contact slash search. Now send it. Oh, bad request. Missing servlet request parameter exception required for a parameter email. Method parameter type string not present in a web method annotations. Okay, why getting too much error here? At the rate request parameter, at the rate request parameter, at the rate request parameter. At service having this, repository having this, THONE, Okay, everything is right, but why getting the error? Email for a method parameter type string is not present. Oh, okay, let me come here. There is email. Email is here. Control C. That repository. Email. Control V. Control V. Control V. Oh, oh, email here is also right here. Email null or C dot email. Okay, everything is right, but why getting this error? Method parameter type string is not present. Okay, let me come here and also give it to the email as well here. Email. EMAIL email. Now let's come here, copy to the email as well. Once again, refresh it. 912379. Control C, Control E, send it. Still getting error. Okay, name should also be there. Let me take the name here. And the name is Sheila. Control V. Sheila should be there. Okay, when I giving to the every values, then only it will be getting the result. Okay, it's working fine now. So this is working fine. Now after this, we can one more related API is not done. That is get all the contact details. In the next video, I will complete the all. Last one is get all the contact details related APIs. Okay. After that, we will complete this project. Thank you for watching Coding Pills.